Here we go, and we're back. Does this happen to you? Gas cap won't close. Look at there. Now that's bothersome. Just hangs open. And I went to study the problem, and the problem seems to be this mechanism. It won't stay in. So instead of going to a mechanic and wasting about $100-200 because it's a BMW, I went online and ordered the part. Part came in 2-3 days, UPS. And I'm going to show you how to change this yourself. Let's go. UPS. All right, here we go. Good old UPS package. Arrived in time. What do we have here? It's a part. Yes. Okay. Let's take it out the bag. See what we have here. And basically there's the part with the rubber. See that? Cool, huh? Okay. Now, how do we get this one out? Very easy. Get yourself a very small screwdriver, flathead, preferably. Like so. And we just simply pry it out. Watch this one. Take the rubber. You're gonna take your rubber off first. Pry the rubber off. Like so. I want to tear it up. Set that to the side. And then gently work that up out of there. Pull it right on out. See that? Look at there. That's it. Then we go to our brand new one with the rubber that has the click. All right. And we go back to our hole and really put it in either way. Slide it till it clicks. Remove the other rubber. Close your door. Wow. Job well done. Took under 5 minutes and under $50. BMW Love 3 Series 2007. Keep your money in your pockets.